Oh yeah. Look how mint the interior is. Pretty nice. I definitely don't love this generation. I don't know, it's just so pointy. Like, look how long that hood is too. But it is a cool car. I'm not gonna hate on it. Oh, sorry. We've seen these a lot.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's cool.
I love the GT2 RS. And that color too is awesome. I think it's the White Sox edition too. Beautiful car. This car is crazy. I don't know if it's a kit car Cobra or if it is a genuine Cobra. But if it's a kit car, it's pretty nice. But if this is the real thing, this is pretty sweet. I saw another one on the way here. I don't know if it was coming here, but I saw another one. I mean, this thing is awesome. It's crazy. I love the side exhaust. You gotta be careful that you don't put your foot on it. I mean, put your leg on it while you're getting out of the car. This thing is beautiful. Nice little Ferrari right here. I think I've seen this one, and it has a really cool speaker system in the front. Looks pretty sweet. What does that say? 360 Spider? It's pretty cool. Nice little Porsche right here. GT3. This car is beautiful. I'd love to own one of these one day, man. It's insane. Beautiful car. The swan neck wing. I mean, this is insane. I think it's the owner's car. I got the Mob Inc. Instagram right there. Crazy cool car. Pretty cool little Lotus right here. Never seen this one before. It's I mean, I'm not a Lotus guy. I have no clue what it is. Looks pretty sick though.